Hello students, myself Chandra Mohan Singh. Today in the word processing chapter, we will know about how to insert table or how to design a table, even how to add row, column and how to delete row, column in document. So before we begin, please subscribe my channel and hit the like button. Okay students, Students, I already explained about how to insert table in the document. So if you want to know about this, you just watch my previous video for better understanding. So today again I revise how to add a table in the document. For this what you have to do, you just go in insert tab and click on the table and choose the desired table from here by dragging your mouse over the cells and from here also. Okay, so I just choose uh, 4 column and 3 rows in my document. Okay, now you can see here the table is now selected. Now students, if suppose you can see here this is our table. If you want to insert or design your table, then what you will do, you just click on this arrow, 4 arrow button, just click on this and then it will show you these two tabs, design and layout. Okay, if you want to design your table, what you will do, you just click on this arrow. Okay, there are so many designs which you can use or which you can apply on your table. Choose any one style which you like most. So here I would like to add this style in my table. Okay, so here I choose this one. Fine. So now you can see here, if I'm going to write something like name, okay, class, okay, so I have written name, class. So how I jump from one column to another? How? This is with the help of tab. Once you press the tab from keyboard, then it will automatically from one switch your cursor from one column to another. Like see here, name, class, section, okay, and teacher, teacher, teacher. Okay, so this I have written. Fine. So name of the student is anything like Rahul. Okay, Rahul. Class 6th. Okay, section A. Teacher's name is CM Sir. Okay, now next is, if you want to add something extra, a row like Girish, Girish, Girish 6. Okay, next is B. Fine. Next class, class teacher name is Harish. Okay, so this you can do in your document. Fine. If suppose you want to insert row and column in your document, then what you will do, just think about it. So you can add row and column extra in your document or in your table. So for this what you will do, you will do something like, I want to add some rows in my document. Then what will I do? I just go on the layout tab. Okay, then again what will I do? I just choose the area where I want to, from where I want to add. So I want to add one row after the Girish. So I choose the Girish, okay, or I take the Girish. Then what will I do? I just press the insert below column. Okay, I will click on the insert below column, sorry, insert below option, then it will add one new row below the Girish. See, now it has done what? It has add one more row in the column just below the Girish. Fine. Now, if suppose you want to add one column before the name Rahul and Girish, then what you will do? You just click on the name. Okay, then go to layout and choose the insert left. Why we are choosing the insert left? Just because of the name is right now on the left side of the table. If you want to add something before the name, it means it is the left side. Okay, it means you want to add something to the left side of this table. For this, what you will do? You just click on the insert left. It means it will add one column to the left side. Fine. So here I am going to give the name of this column, that will be the serial number, SERIAL, serial number. Okay, now you just write down the value 1, 2, 3 serials. Okay, so this you can do. So by doing this you can add row, column before and after the column and row. Okay, you can even add some columns after this, after the last. Fine, you can even also add some columns after the class also. Okay, like see, if I want to add one more column after the class, what will I do? I just choose, click on the class, and then where I want to add, I want to add one column after the class. Then what can I do? I will choose the insert right. Okay, now it will show, it will add one column after the class. See, so here I want to write anything like monitor, monitor, monitor. Fine. So you can also add row and column, just like I want to add one more row just above this serial number name. So what will I do? I just click on the insert above. Fine. Now see, the one row has been inserted to the above on the serial number. Fine. Okay. One more thing, if suppose you want to delete a row or column, what you will do? If suppose you don't need a row like this row, I don't want this row. For this, what can I do? I will click on this delete. Okay, this delete option under the layout tab. Okay, now here what is, there are four options. What you want? You want to delete a row. For this, what you will do? Click on delete row. Now you can see that row has been deleted. Okay, now if suppose you want to delete a column, what you will do? Just select that column by pressing, by, you just see how we are selecting the column or row. Just, you can see here the cursor is blinking. If the cursor is blinking on the particular column, what you will do? Just click on the delete and then choose the delete column. Now you can see that column has been deleted. If suppose you want to delete a particular cell, like I want to delete this Harish cell, then what will I do? I just click on, again click on delete, and again I will choose delete cell because I want to delete only Harish. For this I will click on delete cell. So after clicking on delete cell, it will ask, after deleting this cell what will be happen? The next, this cell will be shifted up or right, cell will shifted. So I will choose the first shift cell left. It means the left cell will be shifted on that position. See, now that cell has been deleted, and the above, the the nearby cells has been shifted on its place. Fine. Now if suppose you want to delete the whole table, for this what you will do, you just click on the delete but option and then choose the delete table. Fine. This is how you can delete a table. You can add a column or row in a table. You can delete a cell, row and column from the table. Okay, even you can also design your table according to your need. Okay, so this is all about today. If you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe my channel and please hit the like button. Thank you.